November 3, Bravo, Uniform, Echo.
November 3, Bravo, Uniform, Echo, Roger, Roger. What's the name?
November 3, Bravo, Uniform, Echo, Roger, Roger. What's the name?
Bravo, Uniform, Echo. What's the name there, please?
Bravo, Uniform, Echo. What's the name there, please?
Yeah, the name's Ron. Romeo Oscar November in the state of New Jersey.
Roger, Roger, Ron. I thought that was you. What radio are you running today, sir?
Roger, Roger, Ron. I thought that was you. What radio are you running today, sir?
Yeah, Jim, I'm running a QRP rig on a S-5105, putting out 5 watts.
I was trying to get a little bit better copy on you on my loop antenna. Come back and why don't you tell me about? Well, give me the model number of that radio one more time.
Well, give me the model number of that radio one more time.
QSP on the frequency. I don't have a very good copy on you. With this 5 watts on this Chinese QRP rig. So anyway, hopefully we'll get some type of Qso going here. On this end, we're having thunderstorms, and there's a little bit, quite a bit of static crashes going on, Jim. Over.
Roger, Ron. I've got this, not the same storm, but I've got another electrical storm down this way. So between the two of them, it's impulse noise, impulse noise, impulse noise. But I was curious about that radio model number again. Try one more time and see if I can pull that out.
Again, try one more time and see if I can pull that out.
Okay, Jim. Like I said, it's QRP. It's a X5105. X9, or I don't even know how to pronounce it, so I'd say. It's a internal battery in the rig, and it puts out, like I said, 5 watts. So I think and if we are, I'll play around with it for a little bit. So, like I said, you're coming in strong when the station before, and now it's just about S7. So, but like I said, a lot of thunderstorms out there right now. Hopefully you copied some of that, Jim. Over.
Yes, sir, I did copy the thunderstorms, and we're just trying to muddle through as best we can. Now, I have pulled my my loop around to 58 degrees, which should be New York, and I haven't been able to copy you on my loop, but and I've been copying you on the Arlington, Virginia STR, but I would like to try to copy you on my loop. So if you could come back for about 10 seconds and give me a little audio and see if I can get you on the loop, Roger?
Give me a little audio and see if I can get you on the loop, Roger?
Hello? It's a Chinese rig, you know, it's what it can do. It's not like a IC705 or electric fast type of rig, but it's basically the same type, internal battery. It puts out 5 watts, and inside band, CW, got a pretty good display on it, very easy for the eyes to display, and it's got a couple features on it that are okay, and then it's lacking quite a few. Anyhow, like I say, just fool around with it a little bit, so hopefully I gave you a long enough and you got some type of copy on for that, over?
Yes, sir. Copying your transmissions on the Arlington, Virginia SDR. Normally, Milford I would be using, and Milford would probably have you at 15 over, but Milford has been down the last couple of days. I don't know why it is, but the Milford PA SDR has not been operable for the last 2 days, and I miss it sorely, because that is a go-to SDR for me. About 75% or at least 65% of the time, I've got a really good copy on Milford. Well, Ron, let me say 73 to you, sir. Thanks for dropping by. And again, this recording should be available in the next 48 hours on YouTube. If you go to YouTube, do the call letter search, Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, along with today's date, 8/27/21, and it should be there, and that will take you directly to this recording. Roger?
And that will take you directly to this recording, Roger.
Yeah, okay, Jim, very good. Well, I'm really surprised I got to make a contact with you. Still 5 watts with a Chinese little radio. It's just amazing sometimes what you can do. I really appreciate you coming back to me and putting up with what, 5 watts. And you take care, 73. Nice talking to you again, Jim. And we'll definitely give you a call another time. So you have a good evening. KC9VKV. N3BUE, good evening, sir. Keep up the good work.
Roger, Ron, 73, sir. And let me just say that that 5 watts is sounding as bodacious as a lot of the 100-watt stations that are running, well, lesser efficient antennas. I guess that would be what it would be, because, you know, they're hitting the antenna with, quote, 100 watts, but the antenna just isn't as efficient. You did a great job there. So 73. This is KC9VKV. My name is Jim, and we are recording now live 205. So if you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.